Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you best camera setting to capture high quality photo in Redmi Note 13 device. So firstly guys, you have to go to camera and then come to photo mode here. As you guys see, we have the option of HDR here. So firstly, if you want to turn off the HDR, you can turn it off. But right now I am enabling it as I want a auto HDR. Now you guys can also go to AI camera to enable it. So it will automatically enhance your picture. After that guys, go to settings here. Make sure that the image stabilization is on and it will be work on videos and pro and time lapse. Okay, and then tap to picture quality here and make sure it is on high so that your picture quality will be best. Now go back and let's capture the image here. You can also adjust the brightness from here. Now lock it and then pick the image. So let's see guys. As you guys see, the image is now very much clear. Due to the adjustment of brightness, it provides the best result. Guys, we have also 108 megapixel mode here, which can also provide you a best picture. Now let's capture it, and that is it. So as you guys see, but if we're talking about both the view pictures, this picture is not too much best, and according to me, this picture provides the best result. As it is on AI mode, so that's why it provides the best result. So that's it guys about the video. And if this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.